and thanks for watching this brief informational video about energy efficient windows. Now when it comes to windows, heat transfer is the enemy. The more heat that leaks out of your windows in the winter or seeps into your windows in the summer, the higher your heating and cooling bills will be. So energy efficient windows are designed, first and foremost, to reduce heat transfer. Now let's take a look at how a standard window handles heat transfer. This is a heat lamp, the same kind they use at restaurants to keep your food warm before they serve it to you. This is a radiometer and it measures, you guessed it, radiant heat. When I put it in front of this heat lamp, it starts spinning like crazy. Now we calibrated this heat lamp so that every 4 spins equals about 1 cent on your heating and cooling bills. If you didn't have any windows at all, your heating and cooling bills would be astronomical, as you can see. Now let me put this standard window in between the heat lamp and the radiometer. As it reflects the heat, the radiometer will start to slow down. The more heat this window reflects, the slower the radiometer gets. Now how much slower is it getting? And what does that mean for your heating and cooling bills? Not that much slower, is it? That's why most companies are using windows like this one here. This is a premium window with several technologies in it that are designed to make this window more energy efficient than a standard window. Let's see how it does. How much slower is this radiometer spinning? And how much does that mean for your heating and cooling bills? Do you see how switching to this window could save you 5, 10, maybe 15% off of those bills? And do you see why window companies say that new energy efficient windows will pay for themselves over time? Now let me show you a completely different window system. This is the Preservation Series window. This window has literally dozens of unique patented features and is sold here in your area exclusively by Paramount builders. Watch what happens as I put the Preservation Series window between the heat lamp and the radiometer. Do you see how much slower it's spinning? Do you realize what that means for your heating and cooling bills? And do you see why the Virginia pilot published an article stating that replacing your old drafty windows with these could save you up to 47% off of those bills? How many months have you lived in your home and paid those heating and cooling bills? Odds are if you've lived here more than about 5 years, you've already paid for our windows, you just haven't had them installed yet. Want to know how we did it? You owe it to yourself to find out what replacing your old drafty windows with our super energy efficient windows can do for you. Visit our website at ParamountBuilders.com for more information. And thanks for taking the time to educate yourself about energy efficient windows.